Diversion here. We finished our 2 days in the Redwoods in the California area, and what a magnificent trip that was. That wasn't on my bucket list, but it should have been on my bucket list because that was just magnificent. What do you think? What do you think?
That was on my bucket list, and it lived up to its expectations.
I'd say it did, yeah.
It really did.
All right, so that's all for now. We're on our way up to Grants Pass, Oregon right now. On our way up to meet some friends in Central Oregon. So we'll fill you in later. That's Olympic high dive, babe. You could have jumped out of that.
That is Olympic high dive right there.
It's pretty cool. I have a feeling we're going to be going across that bridge. Actually, look where we are.
Whose idea was this to do?
So scary. The dogs are crying.
The road is so narrow. And it's like a negative drop off over here.
Those poles.
Yeah.
Along that guardrail are just kind of like stuck to the face of it.
Yeah.
That was nice. Excursion Diversion here. We're at Crater Lake. We're at the visitor center actually, but if you look up, that's where we're going up there. We got to look down into the lake. I don't think we're going to see much today, but we'll check it out. However, when you have dogs, you use whatever little strip of grass you can find. This is the only grass, as far as I can find, on the whole mountain right now. It's a little snowy here. Just to give you an idea how much snow is actually here. There's the top of that van. I believe that's flat. So. Crater Lake so far, babe.
I can't see it.
Can't see it, I know.
It's a lot of snow and it's cold and rainy, but we did it.
All right, we'll lean this way a little bit.
I'm leaning. I got a dog, I'm leaning.
Yeah, good morning. We're, oh my God, was that snowflakes?
That was snowflakes.
Jesus. Good morning. We just left Big Pines Army Park. Big Pines?
Big Pines.
Big Pines Army Park in Crescent, Oregon. We're heading north toward Canyon, Oregon. To meet our friends Tony and Darcy, and Darcy's mom and dad too. And just wanted to do a quick couple of notes about the Big Pines Army Park. It's a beautiful park, lots of flat spaces, meticulously maintained, I will say. Bathroom, shower combo that I was in was spectacular. It was like spotless. Mr. Clean from there. And the owners are very passionate about keeping that place clean and keeping it going. There is a significant expansion. They're doing another whole acre. I don't know how many sites it's going to be, but it's really looking good. So I would recommend it.
Yeah, it's a good SAM.
It's a good SAM member too.
So you can get your discount there as well.
Yep. So that's it. That's what we got to report right now. The weather's kind of cloudy, kind of cold. Actually, it's 50-something degrees, 52.
It's cold.
So it's we're getting kind of getting a little antsy with this cold weather. So we're gonna try to get ourselves to some warm weather pretty soon. So I think we're gonna abandon the Canada trip. I think we're gonna go north and go right over Idaho down to Montana and then breeze through Yellowstone and try to get to South Dakota where it might be a little warmer by the time we get there.
Yes.
So, dogs are good.
Sick of wearing long sleeves.
Absolutely.
Jeans.
We're going to Bend right now to buy sweatshirts and maybe have your coaters.
Yeah.
It's crazy. All right, that's all for now. As we get involved in something really exciting, we'll bring it right to you. Diversion, we're at the Newberry National Volcanic Monument. You can see that cone. There's a cinder cone right behind me. And then just in the foreground is a large piles of lava. It's incredible. I've never been this close to this kind of stuff. Now, clearly not hot. This is not an active volcano, but look at that. That's unbelievable.
Is it ridiculous?
It's ridiculous. We're going to go a little closer. I'll get a little close-up of the of the lava. I'm not supposed to skid off the trail. And interestingly enough, this place, just so everybody knows, this place is closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, which is bizarre. The visitor center was what I'm saying. And so, a little close-up of the lava right here. I'm going to get really close to it here in a second. I don't know when, since the visitor center is closed, I can't really fill you in on any details without going online. So I'll do that. Susie's pointing at something. I don't know what she's pointing at. Oh, she's pointing at a chipmunk. Like we don't have those in New Jersey, right?
So cool.
So look at that. It's real live lava. You can actually see the larger pieces that cooled slower are more solid, and then the smaller pieces that cooled quickly are more of a cindery kind of look to them, you know? You can drive up to the top of the cinder cone when the park is open. The park's not open, so we're not doing it. We're just going to go and read one more sign here, and then we'll probably have to just get out. There's not much you can do when the park is closed. We don't want the rangers running after us either. Even though we have a national park pass, it is actually technically closed. Walking trail, paved walking trail. It looks like generally an easy hike. Takes you right through the lava field. As with all national parks, as long as you stay on the path, don't mess with the vegetation and don't throw the rocks, you know? Leave it for somebody else to see in its native state. The volcano actually erupted over 7,000 years ago, estimated 7,000 years ago. So if I was around 7,000 years ago, I probably wouldn't be walking right here. What do you think? Look good? We should do this down in Florida, I think.
No.
No? I like it.
Nice place to visit, but we wouldn't want to live here.
Parent sheep. This is pretty crazy, huh? There's a couple water droplets on the lens, so we probably look a little weird. But
Yeah.
Anyway.
You know what? They don't come out if the duck doesn't come out.
Anyway, that's what we've got for here. It's a cool place. It's definitely worth. And if you're coming north, you have to do some really weird. You have to go way up the highway and turn around, but that's all right. It's totally worth it. Trail of the Whispering Pines. There's the Whispering Pines. Morning, Bend, Oregon. I just wanted to do a quick video on how we were able to slip the RV into a side street here, and of course at our friend's house. They didn't have a big enough driveway, so we tucked the RV right in here, and if you didn't even know we were here bumped out, you'd never even know we were mooch docking right here. How about that? Here we are again.
Bend, Oregon!
We're going to see something.
Pole pedal paddle.
We'll explain that in a minute.
We'll explain it in a bit.
Come on, Zoe.
Don't make it look so easy.
Come on. Oh, too much smiling.
So these are from some of the buildings that were here.
Okay, so way back in the day, there's the logs would float down.
Yeah.
And
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Pretty cool.
there's the mill. Not only had 2 towers, there's 3 now.
What we're taking a picture of you guys?
We're videoing right now. Hi. Cheers.
New Jersey to Bend, Oregon. New Jersey to Bend. Well, there we go. We're live from Bend, Oregon.
Coming to you live.
What do you think, honey? Pete.
Okay, what do I think? Here we are at 10 Barrel Brewing. We are enjoying enjoying some Ben beer. And the sticker over there says Ben beer is better, so we're gonna try. It's got